Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're changing the clock widget by changing the system time. Open Settings, tap General, then Date and Time. Once there, you'll see Set Automatically. Turn that switch off. You must disable Automatic Network Time before editing. Make sure your device is unlocked, and if carrier or network resets the setting, enable airplane mode first. This is the first actionable step because the widget uses the phone system clock. You cannot edit the widget independently. Now manually adjust the time. Tap the time entry and spin the hour and minute selectors or type the time if available. Once done, confirm with Done. If you need a different zone, change the time zone entry here. The widget reads that same value. Make sure to check calendar and alarm apps because changing the system time affects scheduled items. Once you save, the system clock updates instantly, and the widget should reflect the new time within seconds. Finish by returning to the home screen and verifying the clock widget shows the new time. If it does not update, remove and re-add the widget or restart your iPhone to force a refresh. If the phone keeps reverting to network time, enable airplane mode before editing so carriers and time servers cannot override your manual setting. Once set, you can re-enable connectivity. This single troubleshooting tip solves the common auto.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.